Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. I literally don't think I filmed a new video in 2 weeks, so that's crazy. Today, I am unfortunately back on TikTok. Boo, boo. I'm trying to do better. I did really well and I was reading. You guys don't care. People are making these like polyvore-esque outfit collages. I'll put some here, and they have been inspiring me so much. But I swear, sometimes these only look good because they're flat lays. Like on bod, sometimes they don't look good. So I want to try and recreate some of these. Obviously I don't have sometimes even any of the pieces, but I have things that are similar, and I like to do it that way so it's more inspo and not just like straight copying. I'm obviously not going to buy everything on here. A lot of the stuff is thrifted or just like designer, out of budget, whatever. But I have another video coming where I'm going to do these and I will buy the things that are actually in the collage, which will be really fun. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you want to. I haven't said that in so long. So before we get into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to Whatnot for sponsoring. You guys already know I've been going live once a week for the past almost 3 months, and we're having so much fun over there. We have our regulars that come in, and you know, my mods, everyone in the chat, my regulars that get little like bundles from me. It's so much fun over there. Even if you don't want to shop, this Thursday I'm going to have a Whatnot live show. Thursday, what is the date? July 20th at 5 p.m. EST. That's normally when I do it, every Thursday. And yeah, I've just got a lot of fun stuff over there. My shop will be loaded by the time this video goes up, so you can go check it out. And even if you don't want to shop, you can just come hang out during the live stream. That's really fun too. You guys all chat with each other there. Love that. Use the link in the description box. You can get $10 off your first purchase. I do free shipping on all my US orders also, so if you get something for $10 or under, you'll literally get it for free. There's no shipping. But that's it. Let's just get into these outfit collages. You're gonna see I use a lot of pieces from Whatnot in these collages. That's why I wanted to say it first. Let's go with one where I kind of have this stuff. Do I have any of this stuff? Okay, this one kind of looks like what I'm wearing right now. We've got a white blouse, blue booty shorts, a belt bag, a scrunchie, kitten heels, sunglasses, hoops. I got it. Let's put it together. I really like these burgundy shorts that I've got on, but the picture's more blue, so I should switch them for, I have like this color. Is this too like similar? I'm gonna keep the burgundy on. And that's the other thing, is like, I like these for inspo, but I'm going to switch it up where I see fit. Aritzia was having a sale, so I got a bunch of these little like spandex booty shorts. I'm really into them. I think they're a lot more flattering on me than a biker short, and they're super comfortable. I wear them all the time with like big t-shirts, or you saw tank tops, whatever. Okay, then we've got these. I don't have a red scrunchie, but I have a white one. This little scrunchie is just from Claire's. Literally like $6, and it is a giant one. Yes, I went to Claire's. I have a hybrid car, and the mall, one of the malls that I live by, has like car chargers. So if I go there with my mom and Lou, we'll like walk around the mall and charge my car for free in the parking lot. And then that's all. This is so stinking cute. I actually went out for the first time. Why do I want to talk so much? I went out for the first time. I was so excited to like put on a fit and like really get dressed up, and then baby was sleeping when I was trying to get ready, and she sleeps in my room, so I didn't have access to my closet. So I needed a pair of shoes though. I literally didn't have shoes outside, so I came in and like grabbed a pair of shoes out of the closet, but I only was wearing a t-shirt and jeans, and I was so upset for my first time out. I really wanted to like wear something fun because I never wear anything fun anymore. This top, my only gripe with it is that it rides up. I am not into a belt bag, but why is it kind of cute with super mini shorts? Obviously the belt bag they have is like a lot cuter. This one's just from Brandy from forever ago, but it's like not bad. Why do I like it so much? What was the last time they had sunglasses? I don't have any of my sunglasses here. So here's the fit. This is super, super cute. I love it. I wouldn't have put the belt bag on, and I actually really like how the belt bag looks, and especially if you're going out at night, like so good and so easy. So 10 out of 10. Very good. And also follow all the girls on TikTok that I have their usernames here for the collages, because they come up with so many good ones. If this was me, and I have access to my own closet because I don't have the pop of color bag. I would probably do my pop of color shoes. Okay, I don't feel like lacing the other one right now. One of you guys commented, these are broken, and I tried to get them fixed at a cobbler, and like they were like, we just can't do it. Said to put ribbon in the back through the 2 grommets. It works perfectly, but it takes a minute to do it, so I'm not doing it on the other side. So here's how I would switch it up. A pop of color shoe instead of a pop of color bag, since I don't have that. But I love it. It's really, really cute. Oh my god. Like, I can't believe I went out. It wasn't even a bar. It was like an outdoor get together. But I went out in jeans and a t-shirt, and I had this in my closet. Cute. Okay, I just want to stay in this all day. Like, I love it that much, but let's keep going. And I have so many of these screenshotted, so if you guys want a part 2, obviously let me know. This one I thought was cute because I have cheetah pants, and so many of these use a watch, a gold watch, and I don't have a gold watch. So I've been kind of looking for a gold watch. Like, do I just really want to spend a lot of money on that? Yes, I used to have a Casio and it broke. And I loved my Casio. You're dying. I love their kitten heels, but I do too. Cheetah print pants. Thrifted, and then this top is Old Revolve. So their cheetah pants are definitely a bit more cropped, like a capri, but I don't have that. I think I've put this outfit on before. Let's see if I can make these into a capri without it looking weird. Did you guys ever do this when you were younger in like middle school? I used to do this all the time, where you fold it under. You get what I mean? You can even do like an elastic here under it and it will hold better, but my thighs are normally big enough to hold them up. And my calves, honestly, like not in a bad way. Whenever I say I have big thighs, like people are like, oh my god, don't say that. Or if I say I have big calves, I'm not saying it in a bad way, I just do. They're bigger for my proportional body. That's all I mean. I'm blessed, honestly. Okay, this one doesn't look as good. You gotta pull it up pretty high to fold it down. Oh my god. Like, I remember one time in 5th grade, mine literally got stuck and my teacher had to come and help me unroll it because I started to lose circulation. Oh, so maybe don't do it. Don't take my advice. It always happens that one goes so effortlessly well. That's good enough. Ooh, I like them as capris. That's fun. Sunglasses, and then obviously the top is pretty different. But I have this colored bag. This was from one of my Whatnot style bundles. It's super cute. It's like a graphic bag, which I normally wouldn't do a graphic bag with a pair of cheetah pants, but I think it's really cute. It's a lot more simple. Wait. No scrunchie this time. I don't know, I'm just not as like obsessed with it because I've worn this before in a lot of videos actually, because like these pants are one of my favorite pieces, and then this top is one of my favorite pieces. As capris, they're pretty cute. I need another pair as capris now. Okay, let's do the next one. They love these little white blouses, so I'm gonna do another one with a little white blouse. I have a little white blouse that is like a high neck, but Amanda has it right now, which is totally fine. So we're gonna keep wearing this blouse, but in a very Lainey-esque way, I think. You guys have clothes that are literally just always in and out of the wash. Like these little shorts I got off Whatnot, they're wrinkled. I just had to pull them out of the dirty laundry because anytime they're clean, I'm wearing them. So they did little Nike shorts, a white blouse, and then little kitten heels like this. And these are actually the brand Clark's, so they're so comfy because it's like an old lady shoe brand. I love how this looks. This is like, oh my god, epitome of my style. They have little red shorts though. I don't have red shorts. We did pink. I think theirs are Mason Margiela Abby's. We've got Clark's, and then they have a Gucci Jackie, but like a printed one. So maybe we do this bag again, the little graphic bag. Yeah, I think that works. That's so stinking cute. So same top, Revolve, Nike, Clark's. I don't know, because Whatnot. And Whatnot shorts. Yay! So cute. Especially if you guys like these little Nike shorts. I have so many available in my shop right now. I know you guys are asking for more fall stuff right now, and we'll do that next show. I still love these, and especially in the fall time, I think wearing them with just like a crew neck and still these shoes. Yeah, I love it. It's so cute. It's so weird. It's so cute. I love it. Next one. Okay, next we have like a blousey white little booty shorts. There's our athletic. Mary Jane's. Okay, so for theirs, they have Mary Jane's on. So I don't have Mary Jane's, but I'm super into Mary Jane's right now and I want a pair. First I did it with these little heels, and I think it's cute with the kitten heels, honestly, My only gripe about these kitten heels is that they're patent leather. I want to make them matte, and I actually bought a spray to make them matte. I just haven't had a minute to do it because I don't want to spray them while holding a baby. So that's the only reason, but I think they'll look a lot more casual, which is what I'm going for when they're matte leather. We've got the same little fanny pack bag. It's just so funny how this bag has like stayed in my collection for so long. This little top is thrifted, Aritzia shorts, and then the Clark. But let's switch them out for my ballet flats. These are from Caitlin Pan, and I think it's 15% off if you guys use the code in the description if you're into them. So here it is with the little buckle ballet flats. I don't know, I think I like it better with the little bit of heel, but it's still super cute. Yay! Okay, let's move on. So this outfit isn't like that crazy for me because I would wear boots with this dress, but I think if I were to wear boots with this dress, it would either be my brown fry boots or black cowboy boots. This, I don't know why it feels a little bit weird to me because the dress is so summery and then the boots feel very wintry to me. Do you remember when my calves didn't fit in these boots because I was so swollen from pregnancy? It's just funny now that they almost slouchy, which is like the picture. These boots are from Abercrombie. This dress is originally Reformation, but I got it off Whatnot, and then the same fanny pack. I don't know. Like, I just can't imagine the situation where I would wear this. Do you guys get what I mean? Like, if I'm wearing this dress, it's because it's hot outside. So I want to look summery. This looks almost like fall. I feel like if you maybe lived in like warmer climate, Arizona or LA, and it's fall, but it's still so hot outside, this would be the outfit you wear. But for Michigan, like when it's fall, it's cold outside, so I'd have to put like a sweater on over it. Let's do that. Let's see how a sweater looks over it. It kind of totally changes the outfit, but whatever. I think like a cobalt blue could be fun. I'm so obsessed with this color, you guys. My toenails are this color, and this one sweater is this color. That's all. I was thinking like a crew neck more, but a lot of people would like it probably like staying cropped like that, just fold it over. I despise that. That's cute. Okay, that makes the outfit a lot more wearable. I like it like this now. Very cute. I could see myself wearing this in the fall time. It totally changes the outfit, but what you gonna do? This cardigan is from Stussy. I don't know if they make this one anymore, but my favorite thing ever. I should have got more colors. I wear it all the time, especially in the winter time. It just feels like a blanket. If they ever come out with more colors, and they had more colors, they sell out pretty quick. I couldn't get my hands on them. Yay, I like it. Okay, should we do one more? Or should we be done? I've been filming a long time. See if there's any that speak to me. Okay, this one uses the boots I have on again and the shorts, so I'm gonna do it. I thought this shirt could work, but I might need something a bit tighter just because it covers the shorts almost completely. Okay, so this is obviously very different than what they had, but it's like the inspo of it. I know they had on a t-shirt, but I don't have a tight, bright colored t-shirt. So I opted for this pink tank from H&M, Aritzia shorts, Abercrombie shoes, and Brandy belt bag. That's funny that nothing is thrifted. I normally always have something thrifted on. I don't know, this just feels like music festival to me. I don't think I would do a belt bag. It's a little bit too like desert vibes with the boots. Honestly, the boots with this outfit just kind of like throw me off. It feels very either music festival or just like Instagram, like not realistic. I like the purse better like this. Yeah, I just can't see myself wearing these boots with this outfit. I like these colors together. I think they're fun. And also my tank top is backwards. I always wear my tank tops backwards. So this could be fun with my little Clarks with curvy socks. I would probably realistically wear them with my loafers. The black bag, if we don't want to make it like just sporty, you know, then it works like this. Definitely more realistic for me without changing the whole outfit. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see this video again, I have a lot more screenshots, and these girls come up with so many outfits so often. I love it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Make sure to check out my What live show this Thursday, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Love you so much. Bye. Boom.